Guys, I have been off YouTube for a while now, and I can't really give you a good reason as to why I've been off. But anyway, guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lola Chela. I'm trying to cross the road, and today we are in Nairobi as per usual, and it is one of the finest days in Nairobi. I'm gonna be showing you streets, avenues, and roads named after our Pan-African leaders, you know, African leaders who led the Pan-African movement during post-colonial, during the colonial times and the like. So guys, my name is Lola Chila. Welcome to my channel. Kindly subscribe, like, share, do all that. So the first street we start with is Akaunda Street, which is named after Zambia's first president, that is post-colonial, that is Kenneth Kaunda. Now, one thing about this famous street in Nairobi is that it holds one of the most famous restaurants right here, an Italian restaurant called Trattoria, and it's pretty much a very laid-back street and never that busy. It goes all the way up to down there and joins to other streets. So, like I was saying earlier, a lot of places in Nairobi, we name street, we have roads, streets, and avenues. That's what I wanted to say. So you'll either see a street named after someone, an avenue, and also a road. So let's continue with this. Next, we have a street named after Hastings Kamuzu Banda, Malawian's Prime Minister and first President post-colonial. Now, this street right here is called Banda Street, named exactly after him. So, I don't know whether you guys have really put two and two together. Starting there, all the way down there, it's a rather long street. All that is Banda Street. So still on Banda Street, guys. It's a rather long one. It starts from somewhere down there along Nation Center, and then it comes all the way to join this end here. Someone trying to say hi. So you see, this street is this side of the Banda Street is very secluded. No much activities. So this is where it ends. So Kamuzu Banda, this street was dedicated to you. Next, we have a street that is named after Liberia's capital city. Hey, Liberia! We are talking about Monrovia Street. There you go, Liberians. Yeah, this is where Monrovia Street is in Nairobi, and this is how it looks like. Yeah, the weather changes so fast in Nairobi. Can you imagine? Currently, look, it looks like it's about to rain. But anyway, guys, this is Monrovia Street. It also, Monrovia Street is surrounded, you know, it hosts some very popular government buildings too. That's how I can put it. And this is how it looks like. It also hosts, it's close to one of those one prominent building, that's the Alliance Francaise. Yeah. Monrovia Street. Monrovia, Liberia. Monrovia Street. So this is how it comes. This is how it comes. You see? You're still on it? Still on Monrovia Street. It's really easy to follow through with yeah, you see, even the markings. It's really easy to follow some of the streets or avenues here in Nairobi because it's very directional. Even the way the signpost is placed, Monrovia Street, it goes all the way. And it currently hosts the Carrefour Market. It's very new. It goes all the way down there. All the way down. It's also a pretty much very chill street. Nothing much happens here really. It's just businesses and maybe a few clubs, a few clubs, and yeah, not much activities here. Next we have the very busy Accra Road. Hey Ghana, Accra Road is named after Ghana's capital city, Accra. Now guys, this road was renamed recently to Kenneth Matiba, but as Kenyans we've always known this place as Accra Road. Next we have Mukta Ould Dada, Mauritanian's first president. And then guys, we have Mukta Dada Street here. Mukta Dada is named after a former president of Mauritania. And this is how Mukta Dada Street looks like. It joins to Moi Avenue, but this is how it looks like. It's just next to Jivanji Gardens and it goes all the way down there. That is Mukta Dada Street, right here in Nairobi. So it goes all the way down there, yeah. So that's Mukta Dada Street. Then we have Haile Selassie Avenue, named after Ethiopia's Emperor Haile Selassie I. Last but not least, we have the famous or infamous Luthuli Avenue right here in Nairobi CBD, which is named after Albert John Luthuli, a very famous South African activist and also the first African to ever win a Nobel Peace Prize in the year 1960. So this here is John Albert Luthuli, and Luthuli Avenue is named after him. So thank you so much guys for watching. Hopefully you learned a thing or two. My name is Lola Chila, and until next time, bye bye.